Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in our week 5 discussion. Daniel Orozco's 1994 short story, Orientation, 20 points, 1,000 words. All right, let's survey this assignment. First, I think I found this really cool image of people working in cubicles on the net, and it kind of reminded me of Orozco's story. All right, scrolling down. We have a discussion rubric. You'll want to click on this. This is how I grade the discussion. And we also have our reading of Orientation 1994 by Daniel Orozco right here. You can click on it to read the story. We have a part 1 that's due by 11:59 p.m. on Friday, March 13th, 2020. And we have a part 2 that's due by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, March 15th, 2020. Now, the part 1 is an informal essay that you'll write in which you will answer these questions here. And part 2 is peer evaluations. You're going to respond to 2 peers' postings. Now, it's really important to mention to you about this discussion is that it's super active. You're not just going to type something and you're done. You're going to answer the questions, and then you're going to respond to 2 peers' postings. And I'm going to ask you questions about whatever it is that you post. So you'll need to respond to me. And if anybody else responds to your posting, you need to respond to that person, okay? So read these directions super carefully, okay? And in fact, let me read them with you now. Respond to 2 peers' postings. Each response should be about 125 words, half a page, for a total of 250 words, 1 page. How should you respond? Praise any insights and provide your own insights about the work. And if you disagree with the conclusions a peer comes to about the story, politely explain why. If someone responds to your posting, respond. You will have Monday, March 16th, 2020 to respond to any peers' responses to your posting and also to my questions. Don't forget that, okay? We don't want to feel like we're typing into a void and that nobody's listening to us, reading what we write. I read what you write, and I want you to read what others write too, and let's have an online discussion and a lively class, all right? Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in the inbox. All right, let's have a good discussion.